Yan may ito nga tao, yung gamitan ng salita kay English, understanding. Understanding. Sana itamo maging tamong understanding. Ito nga gyumeng aintindihan at gyumeng intindihan inka para mong tao. Ang yang ko pareho ugali, pareho panlalawe kimbye, o ko pareho reliyon, o ko pareho penibatan kultura. Understanding. Pamanintindi. Yung pamanintindi, aliwa mo itang aintindihan may keng utak, aintindihan may itang assignment mo, aintindihan may itang peg-aralan mo. Yun ay aintindihan may mas malalam kaya katamong kapampangan na salita. Anti mo keng mumunang pamamasa, itang mumunang libro na ningari. May itong yung favorite parts na ng Old Testament in 1 Kings 19. Elijah, buri na nga kiting gino, pagdulapan ay keng kagubatan. Pero yung Diyos din niya kaya ay masyadong obvious. He was not noisy. Din yung Diyos ay mangye. He was not a strong, noisy wind. And not even with big events like a powerful earthquake or not even in a forest fire. Ito pong madagula angin, puto lang ting bagyo talagang bala mo chon, Diyos lalabas siya, nakadagul na po. O itang maragula earthquake, itang kaya katangang tatalakaran. Ang yan yung mga ragula gusali po, bundok, bala mo, kukuluglangan po. Bala mo, yung Diyos, lalabas siya. O kaya po, tang ating forest fire, tang api, po tang masisilab yung bundok. Anti mo Amerika, may labasan, pila ng bulan, dapat yung api, keng bundok, like a great forest fire. Aliwaman po ita. E naman aranasan Elijah, ing Diyos bilang masikan na hangin o itang masikan na ayun, it will shake the foundations of the world or not even in a great forest fire. Makanano na pong aranasan penamdaman Elijah ing Diyos in a tiny whispering sound. God is present in a tiny whispering sound. May itong may na tahimik pangayatyo. You have to learn to listen intently. Kailangan ka mabiyasang makiramdam. To be sensitive enough to notice God's humble presence. We need to quiet our emotions. We have to settle our heart to be still and rest our mind in calmness. May akiting Diyos nung yung mismong isip mo balisaya o yung pilubluban mo mangyayak yung kamwa o yung puso mo ay mapayapa. Potang mag-problem solving ka keng management. Ating approach kanita tiro de kaya kami itangawsan ng fishbone analysis. Itang fishbone, balam gawa kang drawing. Bala mo po tang akin may bala mo dwiyang maragul. Fishbone. Itang nukan niya may nibatanin niya na nukan niya ini. Agit may pa itang kayang iki, the tail of the problem. Agit may itang problema. Nukan niya may nibatan na alayang pera. Niya pala may kapanakoya. Ayon may kapanakoya, masikit siya pala yung asawa na. Niya pala masikit yung asawa na kanita po at lawen may drawing mo retang penibatan fishbone analysis. One problem that leads to another. Kaya ba't miras kitang buntok na ning asan? Itang the solution to the problem. Ningka you have to be patient with this. Even kem philosophy, atin lang ako siya na cause and effect diagram. Itang cause, na anong epekto na? Itang epekto na ano pang maging cause na? Itang naning maging bunga na, may gawa ngayon eh. Itang maging bunga ita na ano pa yung maging epekto na. Hanggang akit kanya pala makanyan yung kabilyan. Kanya pala makanyan yung problema. From then on, you can trace the source and the real solution. Potang man ka solusyon kang problema. Mo itang nung naong aisip mo ngeni. O nanong linwal kay ngasbook mo o panamdaman mo. Dapat mo pa mong paboren, magkalma keng katahimikan, kalupanin kaya katang mumunang pamamasa. Even in the gospel, King Evangelio, Jesus helps us to think deeper and analyze carefully the problems that beset us. The problem of divorce, the problem of separation of husband and wife. Nuka rin manibatan ini, siguro magkulang keng lugod. Look inside yourself as you also look at the other with understanding. Understanding means buriya aduang salita. In understand, king English, adwayang salita, understand. Ken Tagalog, kung saan ang kinakatayuan. Kung saan nanggagaling. Nano yung kakatalakaran na kembye? Nukunin yung penibatana. Nanong penibatana. Nuya meragul. Nano yung background na. E naman pala meragul kempisamban. E paman pala mga ding, kaya matuwane. E naman pala yung tindihan gagawan takya ni kempisamban. Nyapin ng kay, kami ka intindi panlalawe, keng katutuan. You have to understand. It may not be obvious, like the fire in the forest, or the strong wind and the earthquake. It may not be unseen and unnoticed. But we have to be patient and even quiet and be ready to listen in order to understand the other and even understand ourselves. Ning kay nung makanano may akilala yung tao may gadakit. Kailangan akaluguran me pa, luklukan me pa, makipagkwento ka pa mo. Aliwa mo itampi papatenyo, itampi sabihan ngeni. Na ano itang sitwasyon, nukarin manibatan. Itang etaya kakita-kita mo in this correct, in its own time. Then you will experience the humble presence of God in a quiet, whispering sound. Ang kay mi pakirot na kamo agit may Diyos at suya keng tahimik, simply, mapakumbabang pangayatyo, the tiny whispering sound. Eman gugulisa king apong Gino. Eman mangye, eman maragulan, king kayang kasimplian panamdaman me at suya keng busal tamo. Ati ko pong abasa last 2 days. Siguro gusto makayak-mayak yung sabihan tangi ni. Nga na po nitang abasa ko, you cannot see yourself in a boiling water. Magpabukal ko po danong keng kasirola. Potang pababukal ka keng danong keng kasirola. Potang bubukal ne, dakal nebula, mamasok ne. Lawen mo na managit sarili mo ka rin di ba? Kasi bubukal Similarly, you cannot see the truth when you are angry. Mayakiti sarili mo at mayakiting katutuan, potang mimwa ka, potang bubukal ka keng kamwa. You are almost blind kasi potang bubukal, lakangakit, mamasok pa. In a similar way, na you only see yourself when the water is calm. Keng kabaligtaran naman, lawen niyo po, may kabit kanda nung keng timba, may kabit kanda nung keng kasirola, pero bubukal. Pero lawen me, uling kalmado yung danong, the water is still and calm. Nulawen me, akit mo yung itsura mo. Akit mo yung katutuan. That is the only time we understand. We have to settle down. You have to be patient, kind, and even understanding. Iti po yung kaya katang maya pabalita. Iti po yung panangkat ng Diyos kaya katamo. Manatindi tamo po at may kakaintindi. Understanding. Kilagyo ng pa, paninganak, panimbanal ng Espiritu.
Amen.